We're going inside U.S. pig farms to find the next pandemic. We just found a coronavirus in a Smithfield pig farm right here in California. Smithfield is the largest pig breeder in the world, and no one is holding them accountable for torturing animals and spreading disease. That's why DXE investigators are walking inside and exposing this dangerous industry ourselves.
California has some of the strictest animal cruelty laws on the books, but yet here in our own backyard, animals are living in torment. They're living in filth. They can barely walk. We've seen pigs with tumors. Killing them is killing us. There are over 2,000 factory farms in the state of California, and animal ag is continuing to expand. We have to take action now to stop this industry from destroying everything and everyone on this planet. That's why people and organizations are demanding an immediate moratorium on the construction of new factory farms and slaughterhouses throughout the state of California.
DXE has investigated Smithfield in 6 states across the country. We've followed their trucks and exposed their spread of disease. We've confronted their executives. 7 DXE activists are being charged with felonies for rescuing sick pigs from Smithfield farms. The FBI has raided animal sanctuaries looking for pigs that we've rescued. But instead of giving up, more people are coming forward to confront Smithfield. My name is Alicia Santorio, and I'm an investigator with Direct Action Everywhere. I live with animals that people generally consider farm animals. Rupert sleeps inside the house with me. He sleeps in my bed, and I love when we just get to cuddle together. Pigs are extremely intelligent and emotional animals. Smithfield kills over 30 million pigs every year, more than any other company in the world. Every one of them is just like Rupert. They deserve to be happy and play just like a kid because they are just kids. The way that Smithfield abuses them, it sickens them. They pump them full of antibiotics, and that cycle is destructive, and it's going to hurt us all.
We can't regulate an industry that profits off of violence. This industry will never be humane. That's why it must be stopped. It must come to an end.
Thousands of workers have become sick with COVID-19 at Smithfield facilities, and the public is finally seeing just how dangerous this company is. Politicians like Senator Elizabeth Warren are condemning Smithfield for trying to conceal information about COVID-19 outbreaks. We are at a turning point. No one wants to see another pandemic, but in order to prevent it, we need to take on animal ag and its biggest abusers. If we can take down this agricultural giant, we can cancel animal ag. That's why I'm risking my freedom to go inside Smithfield facilities, test the pathogens, and shut them down. Add your name at nomorefactoryfarms.com.